Do you have wet areas that are making parts of your yard unusable? Do you have standing water that's attracting unwanted pests or mosquitoes? We're Tye Landscaping, and we're here to solve your drainage problems. We offer different types of custom drains depending on your needs. We can install a French drain with stone wrapped in filter fabric, a hybrid style French drain with chambers, stone, and wrapped in fabric, or a yard drain with catch basins and inlets. Inlets move water fast and are almost invisible in a lawn. We also install outdoor sump pump systems. A sump pump or lift station moves water quickly and is used when you need to move water uphill. If discharging to the street is not an option, or you want a more environmentally friendly solution, we can take that water from your wet area, your downspouts, or sump pump and run it to a dry well or leach field. A leach field can be a pipe with stone or a modular chamber system. They allow you to temporarily contain the water underground so it can percolate into the soil. Click on the link below to visit our website or YouTube channel to see start to finish videos of some of our drainage projects. Or contact us if you're tired of mud in your yard. Thanks for watching.